Think of the 2022 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 kind of like a rolling theme park. Its monstrous 760 horsepower supercharged V8 launches the coupe with eye-watering force, and its immense grip causes sensations of euphoria or nausea or both. All the while its thrilling exhaust note provides the soundtrack, and a rapid shifting automatic transmission handles gear changes for the rear drive-only coupe. The Shelby GT500 isn't just the mightiest Mustang ever, it's also the most powerful road car Ford has ever built. We named it to our 2022 Editor's Choice list. Despite the ability to soil people's undergarments on demand, it's still a Mustang at heart, meaning it doubles as a daily driver. Opting for the carbon fiber track pack optimizes the GT500's performance, but it also costs almost a quarter of the Shelby's base price. For some owners, that money will be better spent on fueling this thirsty beast or paying the inevitable influx of speeding tickets. With 2022 marking 55 years since the birth of the original Shelby GT500, Ford is offering the current model with a limited production Heritage Edition. The most powerful engine ever stuffed into a Ford production car lurks behind the Shelby GT500's menacing mug, aptly called Predator. The motor is a supercharged 5.2-liter V8 that summons 760 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque. That prodigious power twists the rear wheels through a clairvoyant 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. We've tested a GT500 with its standard summer tires as well as the ultra-sticky rubber offered with the carbon fiber track package, which includes 20-inch carbon fiber wheels. The latter was part of a comparison test with the 650 horsepower Chevy Camaro ZL11LE and 797 horsepower Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. While during testing the Shelby's base wheel and tire setup actually provided better acceleration, the upgraded rolling stock contributed to higher cornering grip and a shorter stop from 70 miles per hour. Optimized for racetrack duty, the Shelby GT500 proved that modern muscle cars can post quicker lap times than more exotic machines, such as the Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 and Lamborghini Huracan Evo, at the most recent running of our annual Lightning Lap event. The Shelby Mustang's interior is very similar to that of its mainstream counterpart, although they share a design and have comparable passenger and cargo space. The GT500 offers options such as carbon fiber instrument panel trim and more aggressive, Shelby-specific Recaro front buckets along with a roster of desirable standard features. The latter includes a configurable 12.0-inch fully digital gauge cluster, dual-zone climate control, leather-trimmed front seats with heated and cooled cushions and a 6-way power driver's seat. Shoppers who prefer a more supportive pair of front buckets, albeit without the aforementioned functions, can opt for leather-trimmed Recaros. The Shelby's standard aluminum dashboard trim can also be swapped for a piece made of exposed carbon fiber. Those looking to save extra weight can delete the rear seats, but that requires the extremely expensive carbon fiber track package. The infotainment system in the Shelby GT500 is very similar to what's found in the regular Mustang, an 8.0-inch touchscreen that supports Ford's Sync 3 software. Along with steering wheel control and voice commands, the stereo's volume and tuning functions can be controlled with physical knobs. Desirable standard connectivity features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot. A 12-speaker B&O sound system is available for drivers who want to complement the supercharged V8's thundering soundtrack with beats of their own. Unless you count a powerful braking system and launch control as important driver assistance technology, the mightiest Mustang offers a very short list of assists. For more information about the Shelby's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and Insurance Institute for highway safety websites. The Shelby GT500's 760 horsepower V8 is the antithesis of fuel efficiency. The government estimates that it'll earn a measly 12 mpg city and 18 mpg highway. That's less than the Camaro 1 Zelati and Challenger SRT Hellcat. They're EPA rated at 13/21 mpg city and highway, and 13/22 mpg city, highway respectively.